Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nur Pasha Sazrina Mitsunusi. Together with my partner is
Nurhana binti Adnan.
Today we are going to talk about nature. Nature in the broadest sense is the natural physical.
Nature can refer to the phenomena of the world collectively, plants, animals, the landscape, and other features and product of the earth, as opposed to human or human invention. The study of the nature is a large part of science.
Now I'm going to talk about experience about weather by ourselves. In Malaysia, usually we have two weather, which is summer and rainy. Summer traditionally associated with hot or warm weather. As mentioned by the majority, Malaysia is the tropical country with the temperature ranging from 24 Celsius to 32 Celsius in the lowlands.
Okay, next we are going to talk about natural disaster. First is flash flood. Flash flood is a rapid flooding of geographic low-lying areas like oceans, rivers, and dry lakes. It may be caused by heavy rain associated with a severe thunderstorm, tropical storm, and so on. Flash flood may occur after the collapse of a natural ice or a human structure. In Malaysia, during November and December usually, we will have the flood season because on that month a rainy season. For example, flood in Terengganu and Kelantan have destroying the civilian property. Water supplies and electricity are disrupted and people struggle and suffer as a result. In addition, flooding brings a lot of disease and infection, including military fever. Sometimes, insects and snakes make their way to the area and cause a lot of havoc.
Haze disaster also always happen in Malaysia. Haze is an aggregation in the atmosphere of very fine, widely dispersed solid or liquid particles or bots, giving the air an appearance that subdues colors. Haze often occur when dust and smoke particles accumulate in relatively dry air. It has become one of the causes of international dispute among neighbor countries and deaths by pollute other countries as well. Haze pollution in Malaysia occurs because of the forest fires in Sumatra Indonesia are the main cause. Many farmers in Indonesia practice shifting agriculture, which is a traditional farming method that involves clearing trees of forested land. connected to plants and animals. Logging issue is the one of them. Destroy most plants that support and produce oxygen. Logging often destroys natural habitats, resulting in the loss of biodiversity and sometimes leading to the local possible global extinction of species.
Next is hunting illegally. Hunting illegally is the practice of killing or trapping animals or tracking them with the intent doing so for make their own profit. They don't think about the animal will become extinct. Okay, next I will describe about the nature trends in Malaysia. Sometimes in Malaysia there is a very hot day, rainy, cloudy and windy day. People with lower metabolism will easily get sick because their body can adapt to the change of the weather.
In conclusion, nature is everything that we can see around us, from the micro to the macro. Nature can be found everywhere, and all of its beauty is unique.